we interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Please listen carefully, as it could save your life. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. Over the past several hours, countless anomalies have been attacking civilians and destroying infrastructure. The anomalies in question resemble a toilet, albeit having a distorted humanoid face. These creatures are incredibly dangerous, and it is paramount that you should stay away from them as much as possible. These creatures have already caused over 2 million fatalities, and is rising rapidly. If one enters your home, you need to do the following steps to prevent certain death. Please try to avoid getting into visual range of these creatures. Ensure you are in a barricaded room on the most interior part of your current building. If you are in a vehicle and see the creature from a far distance, drive away as fast as possible. If you are caught in the visual range of this creature, try to reach the creature's toilet flush handle. It has been found this could potentially neutralize the toilet, but it is incredibly risky, so you should do everything you can to avoid contact with the creature. The U.S. military is deploying troops at major metropolitan cities shortly. Please help.